So I'm just gonna start the next part of this project, and it's gonna be drilling holes through the collar ties and the rafter, and put in some rods. So that's gonna be fun. Anyways, let's start this and see how it goes. Okay, so I got all the holes drilled. Now I'm gonna put in all the rods. That's gonna be fun too. So then I'm ready to cut down all the old collar ties. So let's get started. Oh, that's one more. Now I only need to do the rest. So I got all the rods in, all the bolts are on. Now I'm gonna tighten everything up. Let's go. Okay, so almost done. Only a couple more, and then I can start cutting all the rafter ties down. That's the fun part. So I just took down all the lights. So this part is maybe gonna be a little bit dark because of the missing lights. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, but I put on this orange strap over here so I can cut the right side, then cut the left side and hopefully take it down. So let's try that. Perfect. Just what I want. I'm gonna take a break. All the color ties are cut down now, and now I can put the lights back up. But I'm just gonna show you. So the reason I'm removing this is because of this woodworm. It's eating all this old wood, and at some point it will just not have any strength back, and it will, yeah, probably just break. So they're starting from the outside and eating all the way into the middle of the wood. That's and it just, everything just breaks off. You can just peel it off. So out with the old wood and in with some new. So this is a good example of how the woodworms are destroying the wood. It's just falling apart. You can see all the dust. This is from the woodworm. You can see all the small holes in here. They are living the good life, but now I gotta stop the party. So the last color tie is up. I'm gonna cut the last old one down, and I'm finished with this project for now. Let's get this done. Finish. Just one more thing to do. So the last color tie are in. I still have this rafter with a big crack in it, but it looks like it's only maybe 1/3 of the rafter that it's going into. So I've put a rod in between this way and up here. So I've kept this clamped together. I don't know if it will help, but now it's done. Now I'm done. And all the lights are back up, so it's great. Now I'm gonna clean up and find something else to do. See you.